see. Oh my god, you're staring at the... What are you staring at? Hey, why you do that? Nice staring. Yeah, now you're staring at the walls. Come. Hey, no. Hey.
He's a brother.
Kind of. Come. Come. Come on. Why are you scared? Aww. He's so small. Yeah, go ball. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, she's scared. Oh, Tom, I thought you would be friends. Hey, be nice. Tom, be nice. Yeah, look at the camera. Yeah, that's what I thought. Now stare at it. No. Are you that crazy? Come. Oh no. A little bird and a big bird. Come eat my camera. Okay. I know that's a playful bite. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You go, boy.
He just hates you.
Because he likes you, see? But he just...
He likes me.
Yes. Aww. No, he wants to be with me. Yeah, you do playful bites. Come here, boy. Yeah, stare. No, you can't bite the camera. Let him bite the camera. Come on. Yeah. No, the case is okay. Oh my god. It's crazy. For birds. Yeah, you learned a lesson that you bite hard sometimes.
Yes.
But not really. Calm. Why are you scared of touch? No, he's playful. Touch his finger. See, that's why he doesn't like you.
He only doesn't fight me.
Whoa, you're licking the camera. Okay, we got phone now.
Yeah, bye.